Welcome back to DreamStart Labs. In this video, I'd like to show you how to easily restore a group account that has been deleted in the last 30 days in only a few simple steps. Let's get started. Let's say that your group decided last week to no longer use the DreamSave app to run their meetings and decided to delete their account. However, after going back to the paper-based ledger, the bookkeeper realizes that deleting the account was a big mistake and would like to reactivate the account on DreamSave. Since the account was deleted less than 30 days ago, restoring the account is easy, and these are the few simple steps we follow to do so. The main way to restore a deleted account is by clicking on the Restore Deleted Account button at the bottom of the welcome screen. Here we are on the welcome screen. So when we scroll down to the bottom of this screen, we see the words Restore Deleted Account. So we click on them. Notice it is telling me that confirm internet connection. So this shows us that in order to restore a deleted account, our internet has to be active and connected. So let me connect my internet and try again. I'll connect my internet here. And then I'll try again. Restore deleted account. Very good. Now it works. You notice that the app will require 4 things from us. 4 important pieces of information. Number 1, we need to decide whether we want to restore a group account or personal account. For this case, we want to restore a group account. So we choose it there, group account. Number 2, we need to put in our group ID of the group that we want to restore. So our group ID is UG 591 591 298 298. That is the second thing. And the third thing we need to provide, we want to show the app that we are the right persons to restore this group ID, this group. We do that under that security information there. As we can see there, under security, we can either provide our mobile phone or Dream ID. So for this case, for me, I'll provide the Dream ID. I have my Dream ID. I'll put it there, and it is 471 and 529 529 471 331 529. That is the third thing we need to provide, security. And then the fourth thing we need to provide is our passcode. I'll put my passcode there, 2222, and try. Let me try to restore the deleted account. Sorry, it says credentials seem incorrect, and that's it. We have to provide correct credentials. Now, my passcode is wrong. Let me put in the right passcode, 1115 times. So, after putting in the correct passcode, then I click on Restore Deleted Account again. See, successful, done, very good. So you note that your account may not be restored immediately. So an SMS will be sent to us as when the account is available. So when our account is available, then we shall receive an SMS. But at least for this screen, it shows us that it has been a success. Thank you so much. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and the steps are really simple and easy to follow. If you have any confusion, just reach out to your local customer success representative for more information. Thank you for watching.